Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Don, the Empty Chef from Don's Empty Kitchen. Why do I call myself the Empty Chef? Because I will use stuff a chef will not use. I'll use canned goods. I'll use old vegetables. I'll use old stuff from behind the cupboards and way in the back. Because I am here to show you guys with this channel how to cook for meager budgets. Whether you be on a government income or a low income or just plain out poor. It's okay, we're all poor, right? So I'm here to show you guys how to make good food, how to make it safe, how to cook it safe, keep it safe, and how to make it stretch and how to make it last. Okay, Foodbank orders, we'll be going through Foodbank orders and making meal plans with that. We'll be doing from scratch recipes. We'll be doing depression recipes. We'll be doing all kinds of that on this channel very soon. Also, I know the sound sucks. I'm working on it, guys. I really am. Give me a month, and the sound and production and everything will be up and running and perfect and in great order, and you'll be glad to be part of this channel. So like my apron says, like, subscribe, and share, okay? And please join us and help with this, what I think is a worthy cause for us Ottawaitarians. Ottawaitonians? I don't know. Okay, so I'm Don the Empty Chef, and this is Don's Empty Kitchen, and I'm hoping you'll watch my videos and comment and let me know what you think. Okay, so take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and once again, as I say in all my videos, you have value, you have worth, and you deserve a place in this world. So find that one thing that's going to get you out of bed in the morning and do it. And don't let anybody tell you any different either. I'm Don the Empty Chef, and I'm pulling for you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.